Hi and welcome back home. So आज का video is going to be let's do it differently this time. I wanted to Google this for the longest time. What is a happy home? Research has proved it's a place where you feel safe, secure, and a place to relax, and a place where you can be yourself. So how does this safe place get a happier vibe? I think by decorating it without spending a lot from your pocket.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 너 그래 너 요새 너.
So, welcome to hashtag DIY under 30 minutes episode with me, where we're going to be making a wall hanging to add a fun element to your beautiful home. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So, I'm actually staying at my best friend's place, and she has this very beautiful, very creative bungalow, and she had made a very beautiful shell ka wall hanging. Of course, shells अपने यहाँ तो बहुत ढूंढने जाना पड़ता है. So I got a few shells from Amazon. और Amazon में कैसे I got it at around 200 रुपया. 200 rupees only. I had seen a lot of videos जहाँ पे shells को hang करने के लिए people were drilling, and I didn't want to drill, so we have come up with an idea to stick these shells and hang it with the help of M-Seal. I'm going to take you step by step on how you can create this amazing wall hanging. So I will link it in the description box so that you can also buy it from there. I'm actually filming the intro after I've completed the DIY to just be sure कि DIY हो गया कि नहीं and अच्छे से हुआ कि नहीं, and the DIYs turned out to be very beautiful, so watch out till the end of the video. There are small hacks and small things that I'm going to be telling you throughout the video, so make sure you watch out for that as well. Let me now show you the things that you need to begin with this DIY. Let's go. For this DIY, you need seashells, a jute thread ball, scissors, white M-Seal, Fevikwik, transparent thread, and कोई भी जंगल से उठाया हुआ wood. The stick that we get from the jungle is not white in color. Brown वाला stick होता है ना, sandpaper से just ऐसे rub करना so that you get a white finish or at least a brownish white finish, and that's what we have done in the wood that we found. पहले step के लिए tie the two jute threads at the two ends of the wood to mark like एक boundary बन जाएगा for the wall hanging. Vertically ऐसे ही 6 threads equidistant पे tie करना. You can reduce the number of threads जो हमने tie किए, which will in turn reduce the width of the wall hanging for sure, but that is completely up to you. Now it's time to tie the jute threads horizontally. हम vertically कर चुके हैं, अब horizontally करना है ताकि वो matrix look create हो. मेक श्योर आप नॉट टाइटली टाई कर रहे हो. आगे की प्रोसीजर में मैं आपको बताऊंगी हाउ यू कैन टाई द नॉट परमानेंटली टू. अब वॉल हैंगिंग ऐसा दिखेगा आफ्टर टाइंग द नॉट एट वन एंड. इस DIY के लिए यू काइंड ऑफ नीड 2 people टू होल्ड द थिंग्स टुगेदर सो दैट वो जो मैट्रिक्स वाला फॉर्मेट है ना वो एकदम क्रिस्प और एकदम ऐसे टाइट बैठे. अगर वो लूज गिरा ना तो व्हेन इट फॉल्स ऑन द वॉल हैंगिंग डजंट लुक दैट अट्रैक्टिव. अब आपको एक पार्टनर लगेगा इस स्टेज ऑफ द DIY के लिए. उनको बोलना टू होल्ड द एंड विच इज ऑलरेडी टाइड. यू स्ट्रेच द जूट सो दैट इट रिमेन्स स्ट्रेट एंड देन टाई इट ऑन द अदर एंड. अब जो छोटे छोटे स्क्वायर्स बने उसको सिक्योर करने के लिए हम ट्रांसपेरेंट थ्रेड का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं सो दैट वो वॉल हैंगिंग में इतना क्लियरली दिखे ना. दिस विल एनेबल कि ईच स्क्वायर इज स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड इन प्लेस. अब ईच नोड जो हमने वुड पे टाई किया है उसको सिक्योर करने फेविक्विक या फेविकॉल का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. Now that the matrix is in place, the next step that we do is putting M-Seal over the shells. शेल्स के ऊपर जो पीछे के साइड पे विद पुट दी एम सील, इट्स टाइम वी पेंट देम वाइट, बिकॉज अगर वो ऐसे थोड़ा सा भी हवा से ऐसा घूमा और वो ब्लैक दिखा तो इट वॉन्ट लुक नाइस. सो दैट इज़ वाई वी आर पेंटिंग वाइट शेल्स वाइट. और जहाँ पे देयर इज़ अ शेड ऑफ ब्राउन और अ ग्रीन, तो वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ग्रीन शेड मिक्स करके वी गोना यूज़ दैट एंड पेंट ऑल ऑफ देम बिफोर वी टाई इट इन द wall hanging. Now that we are done painting all of this with the color of the shell, कहाँ गया यार वो हीरवा वाला? Ooh, ooh. See, we've matched the color of the shell. It looks so pretty. दिख भी नहीं रहा है वो पीछे चिपकाया हुआ एम सील. By the way, एक चीज़ है, you also get white M seal. Now we do not get white M seal in the shop, इसलिए we opted for the black M seal, and that's why painting the white base was important. But if you get a white M seal ready-made, तो वो काम simple हो जाएगा and you can skip this step. With the help of the transparent wire that we used before to hang the shells with the M seal, we are going to use the same wire to hang those shells so that it looks like it's hanging from air. अब before we tie all of this ना on that square वाला thing, we make it on the matrix. हाँ, अब matrix पे लगाने से पहले ना ज़मीन पे या anywhere just align how do you want it to be, so that थोड़ा clarity मिलेगा ज़िंदगी में कैसा किधर लगाने का. Like I said before, the hack to make all the knots permanent, उसके लिए फेवी बॉन्ड का इस्तेमाल करना. देर आर टाइम्स जहाँ पे वो एम सील ऐसे ऐसे दिख के आता है एंड वो जो शेल्स होते हैं कभी ब्रोकन होते हैं एंड दे आर नॉट प्रिटी इनफ. सो वॉट यू कैन डू इज़ जो छोटे वाले एकदम माइन्यूट ऐसे माइक्रो मिनी वाले जो शेल्स होते हैं ना, यू कैन आइदर पेंट इट इफ़ यू डोंट वांट दैट नेचुरल लुक, बट आइदर वेज जैसे भी यू वांट. Sally had got some really kick-ass pink shells, so we didn't paint it and we are just putting it here and looks. The masterpiece is ready and super fine. I can't wait to show you guys the final output. It's beautiful, like beautiful. And this is how the final result looks like.
Why does this time of night feel so unearthly? We've been talking everything now, yeah. You've been calling for the night hour. High goal competition, only complications, right? Yeah, so we ain't gotta tell your girl now. You can meet me on our way out. We're making plans for a future. Better let her know that she don't suit ya. 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you.
This was it for today's video. I hope you guys loved the wind chime and found a very creative idea of how you can M-seal से stick and hang those seashells in your house. Comment down below अच्छा लगा कि नहीं video, and this was a very casual, very not thought about video, and when I saw the wind chime in Saily's house, I was like I have to make it. So I hope this was helpful and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget I come up with new videos every week. Till then, don't forget to always stay smiling. Smile से रहो, wind chime बनाओ, DIY करो, जो करना है करो, बस खुश रहो. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.